Tired of chasing updates and writing every post from scratch? There's a better way. With RSS.app, you can automatically collect updates from your sources, turn them into content using custom AI prompts, and even publish them on a schedule. Here's how. First, grab the URL of any website, blog, or social page you want to use as raw material for your content. Head over to rss.app, paste it into the RSS generator, and click Generate. RSS app will create a structured data feed that pulls in the latest updates automatically. Now, we turn those sources into a finished product. Enable AI Brief. By default, it creates a summary. But if you open the AI Brief tab and switch to Custom Personality, you can tell it exactly what to generate. Think of it as giving the AI instructions, using your feed as the source. Use your prompt to transform that data into any format. Craft a Twitter take. Turn news updates into a LinkedIn post, or even draft your daily newsletter. If you only want certain topics, go to Options and filter what goes into your AI brief. You can also adjust how many articles are included and click Regenerate to update the output. If you want this to run automatically, you can schedule AI Brief to generate content every day as new posts come in. And since Show AI Brief as Feed Output is enabled, your feed now outputs the generated content instead of raw articles. Take that XML URL and plug it into automation tools like Make or N8N to publish on social media. Or you can forward the feed directly to your teams in Discord, Telegram, or Slack, and even display the generated updates as a widget on your website. That's it. You've turned raw information into a content pipeline, from source to AI to distribution, fully automated. Try it out at rss.app.